A country's greatness lies in its undying ideals and of love and sacrifice that inspires its people.
यहाँ मौजूद मेरे सभी मित्रों और अध्यापकों को सुप्रभात। आज हम कक्षा 10वीं के छात्र भारत के 72वें गणतंत्र दिवस मना रहे हैं।
I would now like to call Vijendra sir to hoist the national flag, and I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem. I now request everyone to sit down. Now we have Rishik Reddy of grade 3 to share with us the importance of Republic Day.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు రిషిక్. నేను 3వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. గురువులకు, తోటి విద్యార్థులకు అందరికీ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని మనం ప్రతి సంవత్సరం జనవరి 26న జరుపుకుంటాము. ఎందుకంటే రాజ్యాంగం 1950 జనవరి 26న అమల్లోకి వచ్చింది. మన రాజ్యాంగాన్ని డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ అధ్యక్షతన రూపొందించారు. మన రాజ్యాంగం ప్రపంచంలోనే అతిపెద్ద రాజ్యాంగం. అందుకనే ఈ రోజున ప్రతి భారతీయుడు ఎంతో సంబరంగా గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటాడు. న్యూఢిల్లీలోని రాజ్పథ్ లో భారత ప్రభుత్వం పెద్ద పెరేడ్ ను ఏర్పాటు చేస్తుంది. మా బడిలో మేము జెండా వందనం చేస్తాము, జాతీయ గీతాన్ని పాడుతాము. ధన్యవాదాలు.
धन्यवाद ऋषिक। अब हमारे सामने नयोनिका एक खूबसूरत गाने का प्रदर्शन करें।
देशं मनदे तेजं मनदे, देशं मनदे तेजं मनदे, गुरुतुल्य झंडा मनदे, नीति मनदे जाति मनदे, నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే, ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే, అందాల బంధం ఉంది నేలలో, ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది గాలిలో, ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా, ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా, భరత మాతకొకటే లేరా. రాజులు అయినా పేదలు అయినా, రాజులు అయినా పేదలు అయినా భరతమాతకొకటే లేరా.
Now we have an exciting quiz to test the knowledge and heritage of our beloved nation.
Greetings everyone. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. And on this very special occasion, I welcome you to the Republic Day quiz. Now this quiz is going to be based on facts, customs, traditions, history of the Republic Day. Let's dive right in. Your first question is, what is the significance of January 26, 1930? Well, it is the Purna Swaraj Day, also known as Complete Independence or the First Independence Day. Your second question is, how long is the Republic Day celebrated and how does it end? The Republic Day celebration is a 4-day long affair and it ends with the beating retreat ceremony at the Wagah border. Your third question will be, when was the first Republic Day celebrated at Rajpath? The first Republic Day celebrated at Rajpath was on 26 January 1955. Your fourth question is, name the chief guest who attended the Republic Day parade in 1955 at Rajpath. The chief guest to attend the Republic Day parade in 1955 in Rajpath was none other than the Pakistan Governor General Malik Ghulam Muhammad. Your fifth question will be, name the chief guest for the first Republic Day parade. President Sukarno, the first head of state of Indonesia, was the chief guest for India's first Republic Day. Your sixth question will be, how was the President of India greeted during the first Republic Day? During the first Republic Day, the then President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, was greeted by a 31-gun salute. Your seventh question is, how do the Republic Day celebration kickstart? The Republic Day celebrations kickstart by the unfurling of the national flag, followed by a parade and a 21-gun salute. Your eighth question is, which military body came out to be independent on Republic Day? The Indian Air Force or the IAF came out to be independent on the Republic Day. Your upcoming question is, which awards are announced and given out on the Republic Day? Awards such as the Kirti Chakra, Padma Awards, and Bharat Ratna are announced on the eve of Republic Day, and these awards are then given out on Republic Day. Your 10th question is, during the Republic Day, which song is played and why? During the Republic Day, the song Abide With Me is played as it is thought that it is Gandhiji's favorite hymn. And with that question comes the end of the quiz. Thank you all. Hope you all enjoyed the quiz and have a nice day.
That surely was a culturally enriching quiz which truly enlightened us.
अब हमारे समक्ष रयान अपने कीबोर्ड में एक सुंदर गाना प्रस्तुत करें। धन्यवाद रयान। अब हमारे सामने कक्षा 10वीं के छात्र एक नाटक प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
Republic Day. Republic Day is not less than a festival in India. On this day, the entire country is based in tricolors to convey that India is a nation where unity in diversity is celebrated. Same way, we students of grade 10 are going to perform a skit on My Country, My Pride.
Good morning, students. Please sit. Okay, so students, do you know what day is it today?
Today is Republic Day.
Yes. But do you know why we celebrate it in India?
Republic Day is celebrated in India since the year 1950 to honor the declaration of the Indian Constitution which took place.
Yes, you are right. India was a colony of British for over 200 years and became independent from British Raj following the Indian Raj. But do you know why only 26 January was chosen as this day?
26 January was only chosen for this day because on this day in the year 1929 the Indian independence was proclaimed by the Indian National Congress, which was again opposed by the dominant status of the British regime.
Yes, you are right. The Indian Constitution was adopted by the Indian Constitutional Assembly on 26 November 1949, but it came into effect on 26 January 1950 with the democratic system, completing the country's transition of Indian Republic. Therefore, the Republic Day is celebrated with great enthusiasm, followed by the parade, award distribution, and reading literacy.
After the long-fought battle for independence had won, the citizens of India had to decide what to do with the country. They needed rules and a constitution, but the constitution could not be made without the people, and so the people themselves sought to decide the rules. Let us see the documents.
Let us now take a look at an argument which took place in the past.
There should be a monarchy system of government. There should be kings and queens like Britain.
If India has a monarchy system, how are we different from the Britishes? With placing our trust in some son of a king, we should go for communism. Everything should be owned by the government.
No, I never love that. Amongst all the problems going on in the country, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India to bring a solution to facing problems.
ये ऑर्डर है क्या? नहीं, ये तो इंडियन पार्लियामेंट। झगड़ा मत करो, गांधी जी को याद करो।
Why are you so fighting? Have you forgotten you so easily?
But sir, he wants a communal system of government. How is it possible?
Sir, it is no better. Who wants to have monarchy as a government?
Communism? Monarchy? Why is it that all these people follow this type of government? My friends, this is India. India has a richer history and background than any other country. We are unique, just like the very people that constitute India. Why not have a democracy? It is true to be unique. Mera Bharat Mahan.
Democracy?
What is that? Freedom of speech, my friends. Freedom of thought. Freedom to vote. Freedom of press, my friends. This is democracy.
Yeah, I think you're right. Democracy is the best form of government.
The country did not make a permanent constitution. Instead, its laws were based on the modified colonial government of India Act 1935. On 29 August 1947, a resolution was moved for the appointment of drafting committee, which was appointed to draft a permanent constitution, with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as chairman. While India's Independence Day celebrates its freedom from the British rule, the Republic Day celebrates the coming into force of its constitution.
A draft constitution was prepared by the committee and submitted to the Constituent Assembly on the 4th of November 1947. The Assembly met in sessions open to the public and for 166 days, spread over a time period of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, the Constitution was adopted. After many deliberations and some modifications, the 308 members of the Assembly signed 2 handwritten copies of the document, one in Hindi and one in English. This occurred on the 24th of January 1950. 2 days later, which was the 26th of January 1950, it came into effect throughout the entire nation.
On that day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad began his first term of office as President of the Indian Union. The Constituent Assembly became and the transition provisions of the new Constitution.
Let us all now pray for the prosperity and unity of our country on this Republic Day, as we remember those who fought for the independence and freedom of our country in India.
Do not ask what a country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. Be the change and be proud. Jai Hind.
अब हमारे सामने एक भाषण प्रस्तुत करने के लिए आएंगे कक्षा 10वीं के आदि।
सबके अधिकारों का रक्षक अपना ये गणतंत्र पर्व है। लोकतंत्र ही मंत्र हमारा, हम सबको इस पर गर्व है। आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि, आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, मेरे सभी शिक्षक गण और मेरे प्यारे सहपाठियों, जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि आज 26 जनवरी 2021 को भारत का 72वां गणतंत्र दिवस मनाया जा रहा है। आज मैं आदि पिंपरकुटे कक्षा 10वीं का छात्र गणतंत्र दिवस से संबंधित कुछ बातें आपके साथ साझा करना चाहता हूं। 26 जनवरी सन 1950 को हमारा देश का संविधान लागू किया गया था। उसी से उपलक्ष्य में भारत देश के प्रत्येक नागरिक के द्वारा गणतंत्र दिवस को बड़े उत्साह और उमंग से मनाया जाता है। गणतंत्र का अर्थ है जनता के द्वारा जनता के लिए शासन। 26 जनवरी 1950 को हमारा देश भारत को गणतंत्र देश के रूप में घोषित किया गया था। सभी भारतीय नागरिक के द्वारा यह दिवस बिना भेदभाव के मनाया जाता है। हम सभी देशवासियों को भारत का नागरिक होने पर गर्व है। कोई वर्ष तक भारत स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के द्वारा ब्रिटिश शासन का सामना किया गया, जिसके फलस्वरूप देश को उनके चंगुल से आजाद कराया गया था। उनके इस बलिदान को कभी भुलाया नहीं जा सकता। उन सभी महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के कारण ही आज हम सब भारतीय नागरिक अपने देश में स्वतंत्रता के साथ रह सकते हैं। आज हमारा कर्तव्य है कि हम अपने देश को आगे बढ़ाने का प्रयास करें। सामाजिक समस्याओं जैसे गरीबी, अशिक्षा, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, बेरोजगारी, असमानता, अपराध आदि समस्याओं से अवगत रहे। एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक बनकर अपने स्तर पर योगदान दे। आइए आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए हम एक सुरक्षित माहौल बनाएं। हर तरफ देखो लग रहा जय हिंद का नारा है। हर तरफ देखो लग रहा जय हिंद का नारा है। लिए तिरंगा हाथ में देश झूम रहा आज सारा है। आया है आज राष्ट्र पर्व, गणतंत्र हमारा है। नमन मां भारती तुझे, दिया राष्ट्र पर्व प्यारा है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Adi, for those enlightening words. We, the 10th graders, would like to thank Veena ma'am, Rama ma'am, Shashi ma'am, Anusia ma'am for giving us an opportunity to host this wonderful event on this beautiful day. A big thank you for all the students for participating and making today successful. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.